So I know I actually haven't posted a video in a couple of months now. Um, and I also have a new hairdo. And the reason why I haven't really been posting in the past couple of months is because I filmed a couple of videos for you guys, but I really didn't like what I was putting out. I didn't really like the quality of the videos, so I decided that I would take a break and then learn how to make better quality videos, and then I would start putting them out again. So now hopefully I have learned enough to where I feel more comfortable putting out more videos. So without further ado, oh, also I want to mention, I noticed all the new subscribers that I have. Thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. I really appreciate it, and I hope that I will not let you down and that I will keep putting out contents that you guys actually want to see. So now, without further ado, hello everyone, my name is Kessie. Welcome back to my channel. This is Kessie Does. So first step, we're going to go ahead and dry out the basil leaves, and while we're watching the leaves dry, I'm going to tell you guys some quick little facts about basil. So the herb was originally native to India, Asia, and Africa. And funnily enough, the word basil is from ancient Greek, and it means basilikhon, which means royal. So I think that's very fitting because, you know, we are all kings and queens, and the word basil means royal. So I thought that was nice. Now, to get a little more deeply into the health benefits of basil, basil contains many vitamins and minerals as well as antioxidants, such as lutein and beta-carotene. And what those antioxidants do, they, along with other compounds, help fight free radicals in the body. So basil is a really good herb for cancer prevention. Basil is also really good for blood sugar regulation, heart disease prevention. It helps improve your mental health, reduce inflammation, protect against infection, and so on and so forth. So this is truly a really good herb to incorporate in your cooking. So now that all the basil leaves have dried, I'm going to go ahead and take each stalk and just take all the leaves out of each stalk, because I don't really see the point of putting the stalk and the oil. That's just going to take space, and unless any of you guys know any health benefits of the stalk, please let me know. But for me, I didn't put it in the oil because I didn't see the use in doing that. Now that I've taken all the leaves out of the stalk, I'm just showing you guys how much leaves I have. I have a pretty good amount. I really took a lot out of my basil plant, but basil love a good pruning, so the plant is just fine. Now I'm putting all the leaves in my slow cooker. If, just like me, you love infusing herbs into oil, please get a slow cooker, because I truly believe that it's the best method. I've tried a couple of methods, and so far this is the one that I'm sticking with, because I find that it's super easy, it's foolproof, and I don't really have to do that much work. So I get to be lazy and do other stuff around the house while I'm doing it. So I like that. Now that all the leaves is inside the slow cooker, I'm going to put in my oil. I'm putting in 2 cups of this blend oil. It says olive oil in there, but it's not pure olive oil. It's just a blend of oil that I found at my local supermarket. because it's for cooking and that's the oil that I use for cooking anyways, I didn't really care about it being super pure. If it's something that I'm using for my hair or for my skin to make lotion or something like that, I would probably use something else, like something that's 100%. But it's cooking and that's what I use for cooking anyways, and it's a pretty good oil. I don't have a problem with it so far, so that's what I used. You can use another carrier oil, that's fine as well. Now that both my herb and my oil is in the slow cooker, that's all I need, and literally all I have to do is to just close the slow cooker. I put it on medium and I just left it in there for 5 hours. Now it is 5 hours later, and oh my god, you guys, this thing smells so good. My entire house smells like sweet basil. I really need to thank whoever posted the comment about drying the leaves. It really made a huge difference, and I really love that. Now all I'm doing is just pouring the oil into this mason jar. I usually reuse all my mason jars from whatever I buy, so you can do that because I hate waste of any kind. And then you just need one of those, I don't remember what it's called, and then a funnel to funnel in the oil. And then the next step is super easy. You just funnel in the oil into the mason jar bottle. Right now it's still a little bit hot, and in a minute you'll see how big of a mess I make of this. So take from my mistakes and make sure that the amount of oil that you're making will fit into the mason jar, because I didn't think about that and I actually made a big mess that I cleaned outside, that I cleaned out of camera. But yeah, this is the final result. Now it's still a little hot. I just let it dry a little bit. Well, not let it dry, but I let it cool off a little bit, and then I close it. For some reason, they always tell me not to close something when it's still hot. So, and this was it. I hope all of you guys enjoyed this video, and really I took the advice from someone in my comment who mentioned to actually dry out the leaves, and I think that actually worked out pretty well. And I was scared that because I dry out the leaves, the oil wouldn't smell as strong, but that didn't really seem to be an issue. But that also could be because I had so much basil leaves in there. But you know, either way, it worked out well. Now I figured that I won't have to worry about using the oil right away, because the dried leaves will, I guess, help it last longer. So you go ahead and you try it, and you let me know what you found. If it worked for you, please let me know in the comments down below. Do not forget to share, subscribe, and like this video. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching, and until next time, bye bye.